guys, it's Anna. Today we are going thrifting, obviously, which is why you clicked on this video and you read the title. It's been a minute. I'm very excited. This is probably the first time that I'm going to the thrift store with a purpose. Most of the times I'm just going to see what I can find. Today I do have some things to purchase, which I'll tell you more once we get into the store and all that. So yeah, we are going to Goodwill very early in the morning, trying to get there before the crowd does. So let's go thrifting. Before we go, it's not a thrift video without showing you my outfit of the day. So here it is. I just realized most of it is thrifted, which is so appropriate for today's video. So the beanie that I have on right now is from Amazon. The top is from Goodwill, and they are like a perfect match without even planning on it. The purse that I'm wearing is the one that I like to take with me when I go thrifting because it's really easy to just put my camera. And then my jeans are actually from a little vintage store here in Nashville. They are way too big on me, like not even the belt can make them look. So I might go get them tailored at some point so they're a little bit more flattering, because right now I feel like they just look huge on me. Got a belt from H&M and my Air Force Ones. Just made it to Goodwill. There seems to be kind of a crowd here. They open at 10 and it is 11:30, and it's also like a Tuesday, so hopefully there's not a lot of people. Basically, I am looking for baskets and turtlenecks, and as always, whatever any cool thing I come across I'll take with me. This turtleneck that I'm wearing right now, I got it on my last thrift haul if you watched it, and I just love these. Like, Goodwill has a bunch of them all the time. They're super cheap and I always wear them for layering, and also I just like the way they are. It's like turtleneck just flows. I don't know, I really like the style of it. And also Chase and I are doing Christmas baskets gifts this year, so we're gonna cook some stuff just in case any of our friends and family are watching this video. I'm not gonna say, but I'll show you on a vlogmas for sure. So we need to get some baskets, pretty big ones, to like fill it with the stuff that we're making, and Goodwill is like the best place to get the most cute vintage precious little baskets, so we're gonna do that. I am very proud of myself because I remember to bring my reusable bag. I never do, but this time I did. Right when I entered, I saw this rack right here with a lot of coats, and I've been wanting to get, not this one exactly, but any kind of vintage looking coat, blazer thing, and there's a lot of them. I'm gonna go through them and see if there's anything I like. I made it to the long sleeve blouses section. This is usually where I find my turtlenecks, so I'm gonna have a look at them. Definitely see a lot here. Looking for more neutral colors, so let's have a look. This is the style of turtleneck I'm looking for. Obviously not gonna get the red color, but this is exactly what I'm talking about. What I'm looking for is colors in like beige, black, white, just like anything neutral. Guys, I found a white one. I'm so excited. This is exactly what I was looking for, and it is $4.99. Found another one, and I wanted to show you the difference between what I'm looking for versus a regular turtleneck. So what I'm looking for is, I think it might be called crown neck or something like that, is this kind of neck versus this is a regular turtleneck. As you can tell, it's very different. It's more of a casual, like it doesn't fold over, no extra fabric in there. That's the difference. I found this really cool, kind of 70s inspired, like at least a pattern blouse, but look how cool it is, and it has a little thing here that I would guess it would cinch at the waist. I just really like the pattern. I wish it was my size. Okay, hold up. I just found a really cute turtleneck. It's from Ann Taylor, and I'm really loving the pattern. Just layered with like a black jacket. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, love it. So pretty. They actually just announced that blue ticket items are half off, so yes. Even though I just posted literally an H&M haul for a buttload of sweaters, I cannot not look at the sweater section. So gonna go through it, only get something if it really is worth it, but I don't know, they have a lot of them right now, so I'm excited. How cute is this one? It's more like an LA winter kind of sweater. It won't work for me out here, but how pretty is it? I feel like the moment I'm over the whole sweater vest trend, I start finding the most amazing ones. This one is actually from H&M. I'm not into that stuff anymore as much as I was. Just found probably about the cutest. Oh my goodness. Wow, how pretty. It reminds me of, I don't know, everything that is cute right now, and sort of Lizzie McGuire at the same time for some reason. It's so freaking adorable. Oh my gosh, I love it. Found another gem. How cute is this? I don't know if I don't know if I dare to wear this, but is it not like the most 90s thing ever? Like Phoebe Buffet vibes. I know I say this every time I go thrifting, but I just love her style. I'm obsessed with how she dresses. Oof, I think I'm going to. Getting my thumbnail picture. I just found two pieces that would make a really cute outfit. It's this denim shirt and then this really sweet, just like, I love the color of it. The two of them together look so pretty. That might be an outfit that I want to get. I'm in the denim section now, and I usually never find anything because I feel like everyone's always trying to find the small size. This is not going to fit me, but I just wanted to show you because it's so cute. Look at this denim. I don't know if you can tell, but it's that rich, thick denim that has no stretch, and sadly, it's not my size, but this would have been such a cute pair. It's so sad. The real reason why I came here is to get some baskets. There's a ton of them back there. I'm gonna get some for our Christmas gifts this year, and I'm so glad I have so many. I'm definitely gonna find that. I think I need 5, so let's look for some cute baskets. So far I found these. We need them to be definitely on the bigger side because we're gonna have jars, a lot of them. This one is perfect. I found a lot of really cute baskets. You know, I can never resist stopping by the glassware section, and I got this one. And it's so pretty for anything from drinks to like a little matcha latte. I'm gonna keep looking and see if I can find something cute in here. This one is so pretty. It's like a classic for anything iced. I'm definitely gonna take it with me. Look at this one. It's like a little, there's a hole in there so it kind of pours from the mouth. I totally don't need this, but how cute. Fun fact, my legal last name is actually Let. I switched it when I got married. L for Let. Okay, you guys, I've been in here for about an hour, hour and a half, and I think I'm done. I got a lot of stuff in my cart, so I'm gonna go through the things that I have in here, pick the ones that I want to take with me, go home, as always, wash everything, and then show you what I ended up getting. Okay, we are back. Clothes have been washed. This is actually the first time that I'm doing the haul the same day that I go thrifting. I usually honestly wait a couple of days to wash my clothes and then film it. I'm just gonna tackle the most boring one at the beginning because this is just a plain good old black long sleeve t-shirt, simply because I need stuff to layer under my sweaters. This is actually from Old Navy. Really like to thrift for like old school Old Navy, like early 2000s. Pretty solid basics, and this one is super soft as well. It's long sleeve. This is what the top looks like on. I really like it, even though it's really simple. It's like a key closet staple if you're into like minimal outfits. I like that it's tight, and it's actually in the thicker side, so it would definitely keep me warm. Even this outfit, even though it's giving me The Rock vibes, we're all cursed. No one's allowed to wear black long sleeve with a belt and pants because you're automatically become The Rock. I really like it. It looks super good on. It fits perfect, and it's already so warm just by wearing it. So again, it's pretty basic, but it's also a great closet staple. The next thing that I got are actually 2 separate items. Like, they come as a set, but I have to pay for 2 of them separately. And it's probably, oh my gosh, one of my favorite things I've ever thrifted. So it's a matching top and cardigan set. This one is true vintage. It's 100% cashmere. Oh my gosh, the color, first off, so cute. Not gonna lie, I put this in the dryer and it definitely shrunk a little bit, but it's fine, we're fine. This is a top, which you'll see better on the try on haul, and it comes with a matching cardigan. My goodness, this totally shrunk. Oh, Anna. I mean, it still fits. It's just, I don't know why. I knew I shouldn't put this in the dryer, and I still did it because I didn't want to wait for it to dry, but it still works. Why do I always do this? Why? Just why? Well, I hope it fits. Okay, so the top actually fits perfect. I like that it's really snug. I also switched my pants to these Madewell because they're really high-waisted. This is more like the crop side. I don't know if it's because it's meant to be crop or because I shrunk it in the dryer, but I just make sure I pair it with some really high-waisted pants. I really like even just by itself. It's so cute. Now let's put on the sweater. The sweater is actually not bad at all. It is definitely on the crop side. I'm sure if I tuck in the shirt, it will look a lot better. It looks so much better. Definitely would only work with some high-waisted pants because of how short it is. So pretty. Love the color, love the fit. I definitely wish I wouldn't have ruined it in the dryer. I'm definitely still gonna wear it. One of my favorite things I've ever thrifted, this cute little vintage set. I really like it, and I really love the way it looks. The next item I got is exactly what I was looking for. A white turtleneck. This is the one that I showed you guys. My favorite thing to find. All Goodwills, like even when I used to live in Los Angeles, every Goodwill always had these. So I highly recommend going on the hunt for some of these. Are the best layering pieces for winter. Here is what the white turtleneck looks like. The reason why I really love these types of tops, it's because as you can tell, it's not thick and it's just one layer, and it's really snug on the neck, and because of that, it's really easy to layer any necklaces as opposed to the other turtlenecks that are thicker and you have to fold. You really can't just like have your necklaces lay on top of it. I mean, this is such a classic outfit, and honestly with this, any jacket goes. Let me show you. Like for example, this super long coat, so pretty. It's such a basic like neutral outfit, but it looks so adorable and so pretty. I really like it. This is why you need basics. They honestly go with everything. Super similar to that one, I got one in this really cute color. It's like a emerald green, dark green. This one does fold though, but it's so pretty. How cute is it? Really soft like cotton t-shirt, and I really like the sleeves. You know, sometimes they just run straight like this one, but this one has a little cuff. It's definitely not as fitted as the other turtlenecks that I got. I think it will look super cute with a leather jacket. Let's see what that looks like. This is what it looks like on with a jacket. It's so cute. I really like pairing these darker colors with some black jackets, whether it's leather or a jacket or just like a coat. That looks so pretty. I'm really happy with this color. The next item I got, one of my favorite things ever. This is the things that get me the most excited, is just finding a good old vintage, or yeah, I guess this will be vintage because it's from 1996. Good old vintage sweatshirt. They are my favorite to lounge around the house, and especially now that it's winter, you can layer them on a coat or just basically anything, any jacket. It's from Richmond, Virginia, NCAA, no idea what that means, Championship 1996 East Regional. So this is from 1996. How cool. And it's also a champion sweatshirt. It is so freaking thick. Like, this is gonna be so cozy and so warm. This is what the sweatshirt looks like. As you can tell, oh my gosh, it's like the dream vintage sweatshirt. Oversized, pretty thick, pretty bulky. One thing that I'm loving right now that is very trendy is layering a turtleneck. This is the same white turtleneck from earlier, and it's so pretty. I love putting it under any graphic sweatshirt with the necklaces on top. Oh my gosh, seriously obsessed. It's so pretty. I love it. Yay. Oh my gosh. I've been wanting to just do this whole sweatshirt turtleneck combo for the longest time. I'm very excited about this purchase. The last clothing item is this turtleneck that I showed you. It's so pretty. This is from Ann Taylor, and oh my goodness, I cannot wait to dress this one up with like a black belt, some hoops. It's so pretty, like a black jacket. Oh my gosh, it is probably like the cutest turtleneck. I don't own any printed turtlenecks, and this is my first one. It's so cute, and I love the colors in it. Oh my god, this one looks even cuter on. Like, I honestly don't even think this is vintage whatsoever, but it does look like a vintage piece just with a pattern. And ever since I saw it at the store, I've been picturing it with this one jacket that I have. Let me show you. First, a Vlogmas video. If you want to watch that, I take you guys with me at the mall shopping, and I got this jacket that is a good old basic black one, but oh my gosh, for some reason I feel like, yes, okay, this is so cute. I feel like these together, this is such a 90s vibe. Oh my goodness, it looks exactly how I pictured it. So pretty, just like everything. Wow, so freaking pretty. Wow. Yay. Now accessories, I only got one, which is the belt that you're looking at right now. I really love the design of this. Love me a good belt. And as far as home decor things, I got the 2 cups. I got this one. It's so cute, looks so fancy, and it was only 99 cents. Perfect for any cocktails or even like a small coffee. And as well as this cup over here. This is a very classic glass. I feel like every household had it, but I figured this glass with some iced lattes, it would be so pretty. It reminds me of this when I'm actually drinking a matcha latte. Oh, that was cold. This glass I got from IKEA, and I just love cute vintage looking tall glasses for my drinks. They just make them look cuter. It makes like the whole experience better. And that is it for today's haul and thrift video. I also got a ton of baskets, but those were dirty. Like, I don't even want to bring them inside the house. They are so dusty. But I am doing Vlogmas right now, and I'm definitely going to include in one of my vlogs whenever I put those gift baskets that I was telling you about together. So if you want to know what baskets I got and how they turn out, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Let me know what your favorite piece from today's video was, even if it wasn't part of the haul, just like the ones that I showed you in the store. Let me know what you would have purchased, what you liked the most. That being said, this is the end of today's video. I had so much fun. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm getting a lot more confident filming at the thrift store. Like right now, I'm at a point where I just don't care. Like I just pull out my camera and talk, and I've been really enjoying that, just feeling more confident and doing what I love. And I hope you guys enjoy that too. And don't forget to subscribe, obviously, if you want to. But I would absolutely love for you to join my little community and have you around. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!